Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In this video, I'll be making a healthy and simple recipe to make garlic shrimp pasta. Let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire food. First, start by boiling some water and don't forget to season it with salt. Now add your pasta. I'm using whole grain spaghetti pasta for a healthier option. You don't want to cook it all the way through, so I'm going to cook it al dente or about 80% through. Take about a cup of pasta water and set it aside as we'll need it later. Then drain your pasta and it's time to prepare our shrimp. In a pan on medium heat, add some avocado oil, then add 4 cloves of minced garlic and stir them around till they get golden brown. Now add some red and yellow bell pepper to give it some color and flavor. Then add your shrimp. While it's cooking, add 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, then season it with salt, then add 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Now add the pasta back in and stir it for a bit. Then add the pasta water and keep stirring. Sprinkle some fresh basil on top and cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. And there you have it, it's absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And that's the end of the video guys. Share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.